Welcome to your first day on the job as a pipe fitter. We're located along the Albany River in northern Ontario, where they've started the construction of a micro hydroelectric power plant, and we'll need you to help install the water pipes. Today we'll be adjusting the size of some pipes and then installing them into the main water line from the river to the plant. Located on the work table is your main blueprint, which contains information about your daily tasks. In order to fit the pipes into the water line, we're going to need to make some adjustments, and that means cutting a few pipes down. We'll start with pipe number 1. As you can see on the blueprint, you'll need to cut off 45 centimeters from the left side. Gotta make sure you're accurate, so grab the measuring tape off the workbench. Then grab the piece of chalk with your other hand so we can mark the distance to cut. To use the tape measure, hold it near the left end of the pipe and slowly pull it across. Then, using the chalk, add a small tick on the pipe where you want to cut. Slowly pull the tape measure across the side of the pipe and add a small tick at the 45 centimeter mark. Looks like the right distance. Now we'll need to wrap the pipe at that location all the way around. This will make cutting the pipe easier and safer. The pipe is sitting on a rotation device, so if you need to spin it to get to the other side, grab the edge of it and move it. Grab the wrapping from the workbench. Now wrap the pipe all the way around at that 45 centimeter mark. Great. Next, we'll be using a grinder to slowly and carefully cut through the pipe along the wrapped section. This can be a dangerous process though, so you'll need to wear personal protective equipment, also known as PPE. You've already got the vest, gloves, and work boots, but you're missing a face shield. You can grab the front of the face shield to move it up when you're done cutting, and pull the front down when you are cutting. Grab the shield from the table and put it on now. Now you can grab the grinder from the table. Slowly cut through the pipe along the outside of the wrapped section using the blade of the grinder. Don't forget, you can grab the pipe to rotate it. On the blueprint, there is one more step, attaching a flange to the pipe you just cut, which will allow it to be connected to other pipes. Grab the flange next to the workbench. Attach the flange to the side you just cut. That looks good to me. We'll send you another pipe you'll need to cut in a moment. Now that you've got the basics down, I'll leave you to cut this pipe on your own. Be sure to check your blueprint for the specifications on how to make the cuts. I think you'll also need to attach a different kind of flange to one of the ends. It'll be a double-flanged butterfly valve, which are usually blue. I'll give you some feedback as you go, just to make sure you don't cut the pipe in the wrong location. Good luck! That doesn't look like the correct spot to cut. Check your blueprints for the measurements and try and measure the distance out again. I'll give you some feedback as you go, just to make sure you don't cut the pipe in the wrong location. Good luck! Careful with where you're cutting. You'd be wasting a perfectly good pipe. That looks ready to go. Remove your face shield as we're finished with the cutting. Grab the back of the face shield to pull it off. Now we'll get ready to install those pipes into the water line. Teleport over to the excavator by selecting Area 2 on the tablet. Before we can move the pipes down into the trench, we'll need to secure them to the excavator using ratchet straps. Once again, equip the appropriate PPE, as working around large machinery is dangerous. Grab the hard hat off the table and put it on before we do anything else. Crank the ratchet lever all the way up and down a few times until the strap is tightly secured around the pipe. I'll talk to you once both straps are tightly secured around the pipe. Now we can move down into the trench, and we'll get the excavator to bring the pipe over. Teleport down into the trench by selecting Area 3 on the tablet. It's time to get the pipes into the trench. We'll need you to let the excavator operator know that it's safe to bring that pipe over the trench. Then we'll need you to guide him as he lowers it down. Grab the walkie-talkie and let the machine operator know it's clear for him to move.
All right, bringing the pipe over.
Now that the pipe is above the trench, you'll need to instruct the driver where to move it. You can guide where he'll move the pipe with hand motions. With your VR hands, face the palms in the direction you wish the driver to move, and make repeated large hand motions across your chest. There's an arrow that shows the direction you'll need to guide him to help out. Guide the operator to get the pipe into place. That looks like the right spot. Radio the excavator operator and let him know he's good to lower it into position.
Lowering the pipe into position.
All right. Now release the straps by grabbing and pulling on the ratchets. With the pipe in position, it's time to secure it there by bolting it to the adjacent pipe's flange. There are 3 bolts you'll need to tighten. You can use the impact driver to secure them now. This pipe has a butterfly valve attached to the unattached side. With the valve in the open position, we won't be able to lower the final pipe into place. You'll need to close the butterfly valve by rotating the hand wheel clockwise. Close the valve now. We'll need to let the excavator operator know you're ready to grab the final pipe. Radio him on the walkie-talkie, and he'll turn around to get into position to grab the final pipe. Once he's finished moving and it's safe, teleport back behind the excavator by selecting Area 2 on the tablet. Positioning and installing the last pipe will follow the same procedure as before. First, secure the pipe to the excavator with the 2 ratchet straps. Head back over to the trench at Area 3. Let the operator know he's clear to move the pipe.
I'll bring the pipe over right away.
All right. Now help the excavator operator get that pipe into position. Let the operator know he can lower the pipe now.
Stand clear. I'm lowering the pipe.
Okay, go ahead and remove the ratchet straps. And finally, use the impact driver to secure the 3 bolts into place on both sides of the pipe. With both pipes installed, it looks like you're done for the day. Radio the driver again to let him know you've finished up. Great job today. Those pipes look well placed and secured. We should be ready to start moving forward with the next steps in the construction of this power plant. Thanks for your hard work today.